Apple's product roadmap after the September event looks packed, with a few devices we've already talked about, like the iPhone 17 lineup and the Apple Watch Series 11 and Ultra 3, and others that are just around the corner, such as a possible new set of AirPods Pro. But one of the biggest things to look forward to is the M5 chip, built using TSMC's 3rd generation 3nm process, which promises both better performance and improved power efficiency. It's expected to keep the same 10 CPU and 10 GPU cores as the M4, but deliver a stronger neural engine and around a 10-15% speed boost, similar to the jump we saw when Apple moved from the M1 to the M2. This M5 chip will make its way into the next iPad Pro, although the design probably won't change much after 2024's major overhaul. Instead, upgrades could come in the form of dual front cameras for better flexibility during video calls, while bigger changes like slimmer bezels and advanced Tandem OLED displays without a notch are being saved for around 2026. For now, Apple's current M4 iPad Pro, with its bright Tandem OLED screen and support for the Apple Pencil Pro, too remains a strong contender in the lineup. On the Mac side, the Mac Mini is in for an M5 Pro powered version, identified internally as J873, likely to arrive late 2025 or early 2026. The base M5 Mac Mini might be delayed so Apple can sell through its M4 models, which are already considered an excellent deal, especially refurbished at $500. The iMac will also get an M5 refresh. As for the MacBook Pro, M5 Pro and M5 Max versions may slip into early 2026 with major design and display upgrades like OLED screens, not expected until the M6 generation in 2026 or 2027. Even the Vision Pro is set for a major internal leap, going straight from the M2 to the M5 chip, though its appearance will remain the same, and many are hoping for a price drop from the current $500. Looking a bit further ahead, Apple's Studio Display, which currently offers a 27-inch 5 Kelvin LCD, is rumored to get an upgrade in 2026 to a mini LED panel for better brightness and contrast, and possibly a 90Hz refresh rate if the speculation holds. In the smart home category, the Apple Home Hub, originally planned for March 2025, has been pushed to early 2026. It's expected to feature a 6-7-inch display, the A18 chip for Apple Intelligence, and options for wall mounting or a speaker base. The HomePod Mini 2 is also on the horizon for late 2025. And of course, as we wait for all of these, now the big question is, which of these upcoming products has you the most excited? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to us for more tech news. See you in the next video.